Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys the best chrome polish for polishing water spots and small micro scratches on any chrome. Now, this stuff right here, Turtle Wax Chrome Polish and Rust Remover, works great for things like water spots, tiny scratches, and little blemishes. Now, it doesn't do well if there's, pitting, stuff like that. It's only for the micro stuff. So, I have my rims off right now because I'm doing the brakes on my Mustang, and there's water spots for my hard water that are embedded in the chrome right here, and all the little nooks and crannies that you can't really get to when they're mounted on the vehicle because the lug nuts are in the way. So now's the perfect time to do it. So let me show you guys what to do here. So what you want to do is get yourself a rag, put some of this chrome polish on it, and what you're going to do is apply it all over the little spots that you need, basically, and let it sit there. And then once it hazes up, then you can start to give it a little bit of friction with a rag, and it'll clean right off. So as you guys can see, the spots right there, I'm going to be putting this stuff on, letting it haze, and then polishing off. Okay, so here I got on my rag here. I know it's a cut up sock, but it's what I like to use. So I'm going to put it on the spots where there's water spots. Sometimes you got to get a little more. And basically, you just let it sit there and dry for a second. And then once it's hazed up, then you start rubbing it a little bit, and the spots are gone. Alright, I've given it a few minutes to kind of haze up, and I'm going to take my rag that I used to apply it with, and I'm going to find the spots, and I'm going to give it some little bit of elbow grease, and I'm going to rub out all of the water spots. And it's a tedious process to get them all, so I'm just going to make this real quick, and then I'll show you guys once I'm done rubbing them off. Okay, so once you're done polishing with the rag, you're going to want to take a clean microfiber cloth, and this one's dirty because I used it on other rims already, but you're going to wipe off the excess residue, and then you'll be done. And look at that, the water spots are gone. Now, make sure to follow the directions when using this stuff, and make sure only to use it on real chrome, because if you use it on fake chrome or like chrome plated plastic or anything, it could damage it. And make sure to test in like a hidden area like it says here on the bottle. And well, with that, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.